Hello everyone, I am here to discuss an important issue that many vehicle owners have faced. A P0455 EVAP system large leak detected error. This error code is often encountered when a vehicle's evaporative emission system is experiencing a significant leak. Let's dive into what this means and how to resolve the issue. An evaporative emission system is responsible for removing moisture from the engine's coolant before it evaporates. This system includes a water pump, condenser, and evaporator. If there is a leak in any of these components, the vehicle's emissions control module will detect it and generate the P0455 error code. The first step in addressing this issue is to locate the leak. This may involve checking the coolant reservoir, fluid lines, and the evaporator coil. If you find the leak, you will need to replace the damaged components to prevent further moisture buildup and ensure optimal vehicle performance. In some cases, the issue may be more complex and require diagnosis by a professional mechanic. Remember, it's always best to consult a professional when dealing with vehicle systems, especially those related to emissions and safety. In conclusion, a P0455 EVAP system large leak detected error is an indication of a significant leak in your vehicle's evaporative emission system. Identifying and resolving the leak is crucial to maintaining your vehicle's emissions control and ensuring its safety. Always consult a professional mechanic if you're unsure about how to address the issue.